Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making garlic and herb pasta. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in a pan. I have 1 stick of unsalted butter melted down. I can use salted butter, all I had was unsalted butter. I'm going to add in 1 shallot that I diced up into my butter. And guys, it's going to be a really delicious side dish to go with any meal you like. I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit to about medium. I had that on low. And I'm going to saute my shallot in the butter for just a minute or two till it starts to soften up. Okay, now that my shallot's starting to soften up, and that was only in there for about 2 minutes, I'm going to add in some garlic. I'm going to go for 1 healthy teaspoon of garlic. Alright, I'm going to stir that in. I'm going to turn my heat back down because this is starting to warm up a little bit too much. It's about a medium-low. Now I'm going to add in just a little bit of salt because, like I said, this is unsalted butter. I'm going to go for about 1/4 teaspoon. And I'm going to add in about 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to allow this to simmer here just for a few minutes while my pasta is cooking. I have a 1/2 pound of elbow macaroni. You can use any kind of pasta you like. I'm just using elbow macaroni today. Alright guys, my macaroni is done boiling. I'm going to put that right into the butter herb sauce. Give it a stir. And that clock you hear, that's Henry VIII, I believe. He's one closest to the kitchen, that's why he sounds the loudest. Now I'm going to hit this with a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese. Now this would also be good, guys, if you would fry it after you get the cheese in there. Get a nice little crisp on your pasta, but we're not going to do that today. I put about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese in there. I'm just going to allow this to sit on the heat here with the heat off, just for a few minutes to melt that cheese in there, and then this will be ready to go. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made barbecue chicken and some oven roasted asparagus to go with this. Let me get in here and give this a try. That's really good, guys. Get the butter and the garlic, slight taste of that shallot, that Italian seasoning, and then the Parmesan cheese. That's really delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all.